Assalamu alaikum, my dear class 9 business study student. Today we learn chapter 9 living with disaster. In our previous, this is the second class in this about this chapter. In our previous class we learned climate change in Bangladesh and other part of the world also, and we also know some environmental problem in our country. Now in this class we will discuss some disaster which is so much frequent in our country, and also know the reason, prevention and remedies of this disaster. So in this class we will learn about three disasters: flood, drought and cyclone. So flood. Flood is a common annual phenomenon in Bangladesh. It is a common disaster in our country. Nowadays, due to climate change, frequent and devastating floods are occurring in our country. In our previous lesson, we also learned about flood also. So in 1974, 1988, 1995 and 1998, 2005 and 2007, catastrophic floods caused a huge damage to lives and properties also. In 1974, the damage was so severe that result in a famine. So what is the reason of flood? There are lots of reasons of flood in our country. One of the main reason is water holding capacity of river are decreased day by day, and due to river bank erosion and mismanagement of waste, and the last one is sediment is deposit in the river beds. There are also lots of reason about behind this flood, but these reasons are most important, and these reasons are so much important, and this is the main reason behind the flood. So prevention. How could we prevent the flood? One of the reasons for causing flood is sedimentation in river beds to degrade the rivers so that the water holding capacity will be increased. In that case, heavy rainfall or water flash from upstream cannot cause flood easily. And we also know that flood is controlled by making flood control embankment. And there is a most important prevention is river training can be an effective measure to control flood. River training covers flood control by putting stone, cement bags, blocks, sand bags, wood, bamboo sack, etc. Tree plantation is one of the one of the very important way to prevent flood. Flood can be reduced by circulating flood forecast and warning so earlier. There are also so many ways to prevent flood. So our next disaster is drought. Drought is a severe natural disaster when moisture in soil reduces to zero, and therefore plants or crops cannot grow. When the moisture of the soil will be reduced or decreased, that time plants and crops cannot grow. Reason for drought: dry weather for a long time and insufficient rainfall are basically responsible for causing drought. Due to unplanned urbanization, deforestation and increased greenhouse gas as like carbon dioxide, methane gas, sulfur dioxide, ozone, etc. Atmosphere is gradually become drier. For that reason, our atmosphere is gradually become drier. Another reason for drought is unplanned and excess groundwater pumping by deep tubewell. As a result, the soil in the upper layer become dry, because for irrigation we need lots of water. So we use deep tubewell to collect water from underground water we collect in this way. Depletion of ozone layer, etc. are also responsible for causing drought. Prevention. Lack of water in soil is basically the reason for drought. The effective way to face drought is to increase the supply of water in soil. When the supply of water will be increased, that time the lack of water in soil is reduced. There are some crops such as wheat and onion that can grow in soil containing low moisture. Recreate rivers, lakes, bills, etc. to hold water to use during drought. We should save rainwater in proper way and protect underground water. Increase forest cover through plantation. So in this way we can prevent drought in our country. Cyclone. This is the most frequent disaster in our country. Every year we face this disaster. The word cyclone came from a Greek word kyklos, which means coil of snake. In this picture you just see these types of circle which looks like a snake. The wind with very high speed is spinning like a coil. Due to depression, when wind with very high velocity travel in a circular motion, it is termed as a cyclone. When wind is very high velocity travel in a circular motion, that circular motion of wind is known as cyclone. Cyclone is also known as hurricane in USA, as typhoon in the Far East and cyclone in South Asia. So now we read causes of cyclone. Cyclone originate in ocean. High temperature and depression are mainly responsible for creating cyclone. For the formation of cyclone, the required ocean temperature is more than 27 degrees centigrade. Unfortunately, this temperature prevails almost all over the year in the Bay of Bengal. We know that, so at first we have to know what is depression. So when atmospheric temperature also increase, the depression or low pressure is created. So we have to know what is depression or low pressure and how depression or low pressure is created when temperature also increase. When the surface sea temperature reach at least 27 degrees centigrade, that time surface air of the sea becomes warm and goes upward. So when the temperature will be increased, air of that area becomes light and goes upward and a gap is created. That time air pressure falls. This condition is called low pressure or depression. When temperature will be increased, the air pressure becomes low because the surface air will be light, and for that reason air goes upward and a gap is created. That time that air pressure falls, and this condition is known as low pressure or depression. We also know that air also flow from high pressure area to low pressure area. So as a result, when air goes from high pressure area to low pressure area, air from surrounding high pressure area very quickly come to the low pressure area to fill up the gap. So high pressure area comes very quickly to the low pressure area to fill up the gap. In this way, wind moves in a circular motion and also creating cyclone. We know that if the wind velocity is 63 km per hour or more, then it is considered as cyclone. The strongest cyclone ever hit Bangladesh. In that time, the wind speed was 225 km per hour. That was happened in 1991. So prevention. How could we prevent cyclone? Cyclone has strong damaging power. Developing countries use lots of ways to prevent cyclone. Very recently in USA, a way to reduce wind speed of cyclone during storm by spraying silver iodide. They try to reduce the wind speed by using silver iodide. By spraying oil or other chemicals in ocean, reducing the intensity of cyclone. But in poor country like us, this kind of solution may not be possible for us. At first, we have to strengthen the weather forecast and warning system, and also take steps to minimize damage to lives and properties. Strong shelter center in the highland must be built. In our country, it's possible to build strong shelter center in highland. Coastal dam or embankment must be constructed. At the same time, a lot of trees can be planted in the coastal area to minimize the loss. So in this way, we can minimize the damage of the damage and lives and properties. Damage of lives, lives and properties. So student, today now we are finished our lesson. In our next class, we will also discuss about another types of disaster and also their reason and prevention also. Thank you. This is all for today.